So, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, I wanted to come on today and show you guys the chairs and wagons that I have done so far. I just got a chance to kind of start yesterday, last night, and mostly today, y'all. And I've made a good some good progress. I had to stop yesterday, y'all, because I wasn't feeling well. I think I overdid it and got myself exhausted. But I was able to pop back today and, finish. So I'm just showing you this. I've already shown you this one right here. This is the one that I did the video on my order. And I told you I was going to do a second one. And so I did that, which is this one right here. But let me show you this. So on this one, you guys, I did add this on the back of this little toy. I just wanted something else in there. Y'all hear singing. But I wanted to add something else to it. So I just added that little thing on the back because I just felt like it needed something. So that is a baby one right here, y'all. This is one for a toddler, kind of I would say maybe 3 years old or something like that. So let me start in the back on this one as well. So I did put a jumbo coloring book here on the back of this, as well as a puzzle, which this puzzle says 6 and up, but I mean, they can get somebody to help them with that. But I also put this little sign here in the back. Let me see if I have an extra. Let me show y'all. So this sign right here, I put this in the back of that gift. I thought it was really cute. I was intending to put it in the back of that one, y'all, but I think it worked out because if I would have put it in the back of that, it would have been hard for me to put the bib and the what do you call it? The baby wipes. So I think it worked out. But my intention was to put it in that one as well. But anyway, I put the sign back there. I also put some swim stuff in this one as well. I put some floaties and some little goggles back there in the back, if you guys can see that. And then behind his little arm and behind the bubble machine, I put some of the snacks, the chips and cookies and stuff like that. And then I put in his lap, I put some an icy and some candy. And then I put you can't see it, it's hid behind his feet, but I did put some bubble gum there. Here's some sidewalk chalk and the colors that go with his coloring book, another piece of candy, and the little microphone. As you can see, I left the set, the little beach set that comes with the gift. I left it intact in that one as well. And so that is the complete gift. Again, I put the Mickey Mouse on front and the little thing under the bottom. So I think it turned out really cute. So those are the two that I've done so far. I do have Spider-Man. I'll show you that, guys, that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the chairs that I made. I think I'm up to about 8 chairs right now. So let me show you guys what I got. So here are my two Spider-Man wagons. I'm not going to go through them in detail because I think I've already showed these to you in another video. I did these earlier on, and I kind of wish I would have put the little Spider-Man there in the front on these like I did the Mickey Mouse, but oh well, it is what it is. I'm not going back in it to do that. So I just wanted to show you these are the two Spider-Man gifts. I'll just kind of give you a close-up. But like I said, I think I've already showed you guys this on another video. So, okay, now those are my 4 wagons that I've done so far, you guys. So here are my 2 Spider-Man chairs. I think they turned out really, really nice. So I'm going to start with this one right here, and I'm going to turn it around to the back, you guys, because I have gifts all the way around both of them. So in the back, y'all, I have this little Spider-Man 3D set, and then I also put a Spider-Man mask here in the back. Okay, over here on the right side at the bottom, I have some colors, and then I also have a little Spidey and Friends little set right here. We'll go to the other side. I'm gonna go to the other side. So right here on this side, you guys, you can see I have the snacks here on this side, and then right here, I have a book bag. In the back, I have a coloring book. As you can see on this side, I have a cup that's filled with snacks. And I also put a little Spider-Man little thing, little toy there. I have a pumper, a splash pumper, a Spider-Man figurine. Here's some little snacks and eggs, y'all. And then I have the Spider-Man bubble bath. Here's one of a pinball game, the bath bomb, and the bath paint. So I think y'all action packed. Same with this one. This one is pretty much the same, y'all. It has this stuff in the back, as you can see. Let me turn it around. It has the cup over there with the snacks. I put the Spider-Man on this side in this gift. And then I put the backpack. I like this one, y'all, because when you touch it, you can see that it does light up. I put the splash pumper, the games, the snacks, everything at the bottom. And over here on this side, the sidewalk chalk and the bubble gum and stuff. So y'all, so those are my two Spider-Mans. I really think they turned out really nice. I had already made my bows for them because y'all know I have a ton of Spider-Man gifts. So that completes my Spider-Man series of gifts that I have. I think I have 20 something Spider-Man gifts. So I think I am well stocked on Spider-Man. I have some in pretty much every price range from small, medium. I have 2 wagons and the chairs. So I think I'm good. So anyway, those are my Spider-Man. So let me show you my next gift. I think those are all of my boy. Well, no. I have a one Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle chair that I did, and I have one dinosaur chair that I did. I'm not going to show you guys those. I've already showed you guys those in a previous video. But anyway, those are 2 chairs that I've done that I'm not going to show you in this video. So let me show you my girl stuff. Guys, so here are my 2 Barbie chairs that I've done. Y'all, I am really enjoying putting the items in the bottom of these chairs. I'm telling you, I have been filling them to the rim with items, and I think they're going to be worth every penny. So what I did with these is I had the pillows that I got from Walmart. I had got a ton of these pillows last year, y'all. I wasn't able to get as many this year, but I was able to score a few. So I went ahead and put those in the back of these chairs. I put my gift sets in these gifts. As you can see, in both of these, I put the Barbie little gifts. I don't know what you call it, gift set or whatever that has everything with it. And then I put a change of clothes and the little stationery set in here. So in here on this side, y'all, I have my bath paint. I have some of the little press-on nails and some candy. At the bottom here, y'all, let me show you. It's a whole little world down here. If you guys can see, I have some bubbles. I have a cutie reveal. I have a cup and some Rice Krispie treats. I have my toothbrush, toothpaste back there in the back. If you guys can see it, I know the light is shining off of this thing, but I have one of the I have some snacks back there, and then I also have one of the Barbie Land little toys back here. I also have some of the little juice and one of the little what do you call that, bath dust. And then I have some candy up there. So if you turn it around to the back, hold on, y'all, I'm gonna get it around. Hold on, I'm trying to do all this with one hand. I have a jumbo coloring book, and then I have the markers to go with it. I have some of the bunny poles. I put that on each side, and then I put a puzzle, the Barbie puzzle here on this side. Turn it around to this side. Y'all see my Barbie land fell over, but it's gonna be okay. I have a play pack on that side. So y'all, that's my complete gift for that one. And then on that one, same thing. On the outside is the press-on nails and the finger paint and the toothbrush and the toothpaste. All that's pretty much the same. I had one of the little eggs that I put down there, and that's some bubbles. Oh, up here, I put a change of clothes, but I didn't have another one of the stationery sets, so I put a pack of the Band-Aids and some of the color changing tablets you put in the bathtub. The little mini set in there. Here's a little Barbie land and the little snacks. The cutie reveal was over there, and the cup. You can see all the snacks down there at the bottom. In the back, same thing with the puzzle. And this, I put a poster in there. I didn't have another coloring book, so I put a poster and the markers to go with it. I put another color reveal over here on this side. Then I put the little pole, the bunny pole here, and some white. So that's what's in that one, y'all. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys that. I think they turned out really cute. I used my little I don't know what you call it, multicolored little bow on top of those. I shrink wrapped these from the top because my bag wasn't going to be tall enough to go up on top and give me the little ponytail, and to keep from pressing in my pillow. I went ahead and put just a little board back there in the back, and as you can see, I rounded it. So y'all make sure when y'all are doing these things, y'all are rounding your corners so you won't bust through your bag. So I did that on both of them so that I wouldn't smash my pillow. So anyway, that is my Barbie, and I think they turned out really nice. So let me show you my last two gifts or chairs, you guys. So last but not least is my little Squishmallow chairs that I made. I made one with, this is the little latte, and this is actually, y'all, it's a kangaroo, but if you look at the ears, it kind of looks like a bunny, and they're kind of squished back. But anyway, I went with him because he looked like a bunny. So let me start with this one over here. I just put the little big guy in the chair, y'all. Of course, y'all can see both of them fill the chairs up. And then at the bottom down here, I put my bubble bath here on this side. I put a egg. I just put a Gabby Dollhouse egg down there that has activities in it, as you can see. I put a Fubbles in there. And then that's the large bucket of Fubbles. And then I put some snacks. Here's some Peeps. This is the Peeps dough and the bath paint. And I put one of the bunny poles here on this side. On this side, y'all, I put the DIY foam kit. And then I put a thing of Peeps here. Turn it around to the back. I have Rice Krispie treats. I have an egg dyeing kit. I have a Peeps sidewalk chalk. Over here on this side, I have a Easter play set right here. And then that's it, you guys. So that's the complete of that gift there. And this one is pretty much the same. Over here on this side, as you can see, is the Easter what is that? The sticker play set, the paint. A bunny egg is what I put in this one. Some Fubbles and candy. Oh, and all back there in the back, y'all, is the snacks on both of them. Is the snacks way back there in the back. And then here is the Peeps. The bubble bath on that side. On this one, I have a DIY sun caster. Here's some more Peeps right here. My Rice Krispie treat and my egg dyeing kit. Y'all see his tail sticking through there. And then I put the sidewalk chalk on that one. So that is both of my gifts, you guys. That is both of my Squishmallows, y'all. I think they turned out really, really cute. I haven't put a bow on these. I can't decide what color bow I want to put on these. If I just want to do a plain, simple bow, or if I want to put the multicolor bow like I had on Barbie, I'm just not sure. So I left them right now until I decide what bow I wanted to put on these. But anyway, I just had to come on and show you guys my chairs, y'all. I'm rocking and rolling today to get these chairs and stuff completed. I got a few more. I wanted to make 20 I wanted to make 20 of each, but I think I'm just going to do 10 of each, 10 chairs, 10 wagons. And then if I get some special orders, then I'll do something else. But yeah, y'all, I'm rocking and rolling, trying to get these chairs done. I told you I gave myself this week, and so I'm doing well. I just got to finish strong, y'all. So y'all pray for me that I stay strong, that I don't get too exhausted, because I think that's what happened to me yesterday, the reason why I wasn't feeling well, so that I can go ahead and finish these out and I can start on Mother's Day next week. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if nobody has told you today, you are loved, you are enough, and we are all treasures in our daddy's treasure chest. See you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.